Welcome to review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical camping chair, the perfect solution for outdoor organization. There are many products available to choose from camping chair, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best camping chair from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. GCI Outdoor Rocker Camping Chair. Experience ultimate relaxation outdoors with the GCI Outdoor Rocker Camping Chair. This sturdy, folding rocking chair combines comfort and convenience, perfect for camping, concerts, and outdoor gatherings. Crafted from powder-coated alloy steel, it supports up to 250 pounds, providing strength and durability you can rely on. The chair features a padded sling-style seat and solid back, ensuring comfort throughout your outdoor adventures. The GCI rocker is designed with patented spring-action rocking technology, letting you enjoy smooth rocking on various surfaces. With an integrated beverage holder and phone pocket, everything you need is within reach. Weighing just 11.4 pounds, this chair includes a convenient carry strap for easy portability. The compact design folds up effortlessly for storage and transport, measuring only 5.5 into 6.5 into 40.2 inches when folded. Elevate your outdoor relaxation experience with this reliable, portable rocking chair backed by a limited lifetime warranty. Number 2. Coleman Portable Camping Chair. Upgrade your camping experience with the Coleman Portable Camping Chair. This lightweight, black alloy steel chair offers both durability and comfort, perfect for outdoor relaxation. With its fully cushioned seat and back, you can settle in and unwind anywhere. A standout feature is the built-in 4-can cooler, keeping drinks refreshingly cold within arm's reach. This chair's thoughtful design includes a mesh cup holder, side pockets for essentials, and adjustable armrests for customizable comfort. The roomy 24-inch seat and comfortable 18.1-inch sitting height provide ample space to relax. Weighing just 7.7 pounds, it's easy to pack and transport, making it ideal for camping, tailgating, and festivals. Enjoy the reliability of a strong, supportive frame paired with easy convenience, all in a compact folding design. The Coleman Portable Camping Chair is your go-to choice for superior comfort and practicality at every outdoor adventure. Number 3. CLIQ Portable Camping Chair. Discover the convenience of the CLIQ Portable Camping Chair, a lightweight, compact chair designed for ultimate portability and comfort. Almost as small as a drink bottle, this premium foldable chair fits easily into any bag or backpack, making it a perfect choice for camping, picnics, beach days, festivals, and more. With a high-back design and durable nylon seat, the CLIQ camping chair provides reliable support and stability in any environment. Setting it up takes only 15 seconds, and at just 3.9 pounds, it's easy to carry without adding bulk. Despite its lightweight aluminum frame, this chair is incredibly sturdy, holding up to 300 pounds comfortably. Built to last a lifetime, it's ideal for anyone looking to enjoy the outdoors with minimal hassle. Make your next outdoor adventure more comfortable and convenient with this premium, ultralight camping chair from CLIQ. Number 4. Amazon Basics Camping Chair. Enjoy the outdoors in comfort with the Amazon Basics Camping Chair. This portable, collapsible chair in stylish blue is crafted for relaxation and convenience, perfect for camping, picnics, sports events, and more. Made from durable polyester with mesh fabric panels, it offers cooling ventilation for hot days. The chair features a handy beverage cooler pouch hanging from the armrest that holds up to 4 12-ounce cans, a built-in cup holder for your open drink, and a side storage pocket for essentials like sunscreen or binoculars. Built with a heavy-duty alloy steel frame, this chair combines strength and lightweight portability, weighing only 6.1 pounds. With dimensions of 28-inch wide, 21-inch depth, 36-inch height, it provides spacious seating, and it folds down easily to fit in most car trunks. A convenient carry bag with a shoulder strap is included for effortless transport. Make the Amazon Basics Camping Chair your go-to for outdoor comfort. Number 5. Moon LENCE Portable Camping Chair. Meet the Moon LENCE Portable Camping Chair, an ultralight, durable chair designed for the ultimate outdoor experience. This 4th Pro generation chair boasts a stable dual triangle base and central linkage pole made from aircraft-grade aluminum. providing an impressively rigid structure that supports up to 400 lbs while weighing only 2.7 lbs. The chair cover is crafted from 600D Oxford ripstop ballistic nylon, with reinforced double seams and a mesh back that enhances airflow to keep you cool and comfortable. The ergonomic design and breathable fabric make it perfect for extended seating at campsites, beach days, picnics, or backpacking trips. This foldable chair is compact enough to fit into your backpack or carry-on, with handy side pockets for small items. Setup is effortless with the central linkage design, allowing for easy assembly and disassembly. With the LENCE portable camping chair, you'll enjoy lightweight comfort and stability on every adventure. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.